Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to fix the black screen issue on your iPhone. And of course here we have the iPhone 17. So this tutorial is for the iPhone 17. That includes iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and just the regular iPhone 17. This is a general tutorial as well. If you have an older device, it will also work just the same. Alright, so of course we can go ahead and, so as you can see here, it is an iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let me just simply first explain the issue itself. So the black screen issue is when your screen or display is black or blank. And of course, you may or may not be hearing sounds. So all your notifications are actually coming in and you can hear the sounds and notifications in the background. However, no matter what you do, so if you tap the screen, if you press the power button, if you press the different buttons, there's nothing that you're getting out of the device as it's completely black or blank. All right, so it gets its name from the display being black or blank. Please note, it's not really happening to this device right now. As best as possible, I try to show the live situation as it's happening. However, as I said, it's not happening with this device, but this is the procedure I've used to fix this issue. And of course, it works flawlessly. And in other devices that we had before, this is what works in terms of recovering your device when you're experiencing the black screen problem. Do note, this is a common issue and it happens across all devices. All right. So of course, let's go ahead and get straight into the fix. All right. So my display will come on, yours won't. All right, since I'm reproducing the problem. All right, now in order to fix your device, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna hit volume. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna hit volume up, volume down, then you're gonna press on hold power. And of course, it's one smooth motion and it will take a little try. So it's up, in volume up, volume down, then hit and hold power. And I'll try to show you as smoothly as possible. Remember, my display will come on, yours won't. So it's volume up, volume down, and press on hold power. All right, so you're gonna keep holding power as you're seeing right now, and I'm gonna keep holding power, and it will take probably a few seconds, and you're gonna keep holding power. All right, and you should see the Apple logo. Now, let me repeat that. So it's one swift motion. It's volume up for probably about 2 to 3 seconds, volume down for about 2 to 3 seconds, press and hold power. And it's best you use both hands. So it's volume up, volume down, power, press and hold. All right. So what you're doing basically is to force restart the device. Now, when you force restart the device, what happens is that it should wake the device from the state that it's in. Now, if it didn't work on the first try, don't worry. It will probably take you maybe 1, 2, or even 3 attempts. So go ahead, volume up, volume down, press on hold power. All right, so the display will wake back up and you should see the Apple logo. All right, if that didn't work for you, then try this. You're gonna go ahead and get your charging cable. You're gonna make sure it's connected. It's connected to power, and of course, you're gonna go ahead and place the charger in. And once you place the charger in, you're gonna give it probably about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, no less than probably about 10 minutes. And of course, it's gonna charge a bit. And then from there, you're gonna go ahead and repeat the procedure in case the first method didn't work. So that's volume up, 2 seconds, volume down, press on hold power. All right, so if you do that, what's gonna happen is that the device should, and you're gonna see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo similar to before, you're gonna let go. And of course, the device is gonna boot right up and the black screen problem should be fixed. Now, of course, guys, the procedure should work in maybe about 90% of the cases, but in another 10% of the cases, it might be in very rare condition that the display itself is actually broken. And in those cases, the display will need to be changed. So the only cases where that would apply is if you have dropped your phone, especially a significant drop, where it has cracked the screen, or of course there's dent on the chassis. So if you have dropped your phone in recent times, or if you have a crack on the screen, if it was okay before but suddenly this is happening, then of course there might be a chance that you'll need to change the display. But from what I've seen in most cases, especially if you haven't dropped the phone, and it's happening to you with the black screen, it's usually the software based issue, and doing the procedures seen here should help you out in fixing it. So that's probably about 90% of the cases. It should be able to solve the problem, but in a few cases it might just be that your display is damaged. All right, so I hope that your device is back up. Please comment below. I can also help you directly, especially if you share what's happening with your device exactly and what happened to your device, whether or not you dropped it. I should be able to give you a rough idea as to what's happening and give you direct help. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.